We're reviewing from the providers a 600 watt GAN 5 system, the M12. It's a 12-in-1 USB-C charging station. Opening up, show you the colors that they come in. This one came in white with your AC cord and the unit nicely packaged with an instruction guide. USB-A, USB-C. We have 8 different USB-C numbers and 4 different USB-A numbers. We have 2 for the laptop and 6 for any universal needs. We're going to plug in the unit and plug in some devices. With a supply cord up to 6 feet maximum, we have the AC unit plugging in for the first time. Once plugged in, the unit does not light up. It is ready for use. No more optional bricks. USB-C to the laptop port, and we're ready to use our laptop. For charging power banks, cameras, lights, bike lights, and more. There are many different types of uses for your 600 watt unit. We have 6 units plugged in at the moment. You're able to run a laptop, charge a power bank, run a light, microphones, cameras, anything that needs to be charged via USB-C, PD20, USB-A, and more. The Step Kidge 12-in-1 protective USB-C, USB-A, fast charging 12-in-1 port. Your product comes in a number of colors, nicely designed, easy to sit on the desk, workstation, so on. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for your electronic needs in your household and work needs. Thank you for viewing.